Hi honeys, how are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's popping, what's well, and of course all those particular kind of good stuff over there. If this is your first time here, yes, I'm Tanyanishailoc. I do videos about makeup, glam, fashion, beauty, my medical career kind of vlogs, and of course a lot of interesting videos. But of course, as you have seen from the thumbnail and of course the title, today I'm gonna be of course passing through you guys a vlog of how I do clean my beauty blenders and of course my brushes, and I hope you really love it or you really like it. I know I forgot to create the intro of the video, but literally here it is. Immediately, of course, before you click off the video, make sure that you have liked the video, share out the video, comment something in the comment section below, and of course don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will help me in the long run. So without any further ado, let us just dive into the video right now.
Town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
officially, you guys, as you see right now, I've just let them dry over here. I hope that I'm going to stay around for a little bit of some minutes to let them dry, actually, because here at my home there are a lot of young kids, so they might grab some of them down there. So I'm gonna try to sit down somewhere here in our workshop, so that of course I wait for them as they dry, and of course I'll be checking in when they have dried completely. You guys, it has been after some beautiful time. I think 3 to 5 days, not even days, but I think 1.5 weeks or 2 weeks, whatever the case may be. And I forgot to log out of the video, but this is my official log out of the video. And my brushes did dry. They are down over there right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. They're over right there. And of course, I'm having a makeup transformation. That's why you are seeing Betty over there. And of course, hope that you have liked the video. Remember to of course comment something in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up. It will help me in a long run. Let me grab you in my next video. Remember that smartness, elegancy, and of course exploring the magic of your subconscious mind. We are talking about 2020. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.